How to change username on Instagram PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change username on Instagram PC. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Instagram.com and make sure you are signed in to the account you want to change the username of. Now tap on the profile icon you see on the left side toolbar and further tap on the edit profile button on the top of your screen. You will be led to the interface from where you can change your profile details now, so go ahead and tap on the personal details option. You will then receive a pop-up, so tap on the username option. You will then be allowed to change your username. So go ahead and change the username and make sure the username is appropriate enough and meets the requirements of username. And once you have set the username, tap on the done button. And as you can see here, the username has been changed. So this is how you can change your username on Instagram PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.